Yeah, you better hide or else Daddy's gonna get you. Alright. Shoot Daddy. Oh no! Xander, you can hit the neutralize button and hit Daddy so his gun won't work. Remember, it's in the back? Uh-oh. You get hit one more time, you're out. Oh. Daddy gets hit one more time, he's out. Oh, that was a good game. You have to press the reset button right here.
Huh?
The little R. Yep. All right. Get him, Xander, get him. You're all set. Yay, you got Daddy. Good job, Xander. Hey, come here. Talk to me. Do you like your laser tag?
Yeah.
Are those awesome guns?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you the best? Happy 5th birthday, big boy.
I could beat you up and then you will blow up and then you will have a shot.
Oh.